Hi everyone, this is a video just to talk about your real estate in your toolbar. So your toolbar is actually this area here. We have our address bar, and then over here we have our extensions. I want you to notice that my address bar is really long, and usually my websites are not that long. So if I just click and drag, I can make it smaller, and that shows me more of my Chrome extensions. Now, if there's an extension that's grayed out, the grayed out extensions are usually ones that work behind the scene. And if you right click on those, you can actually hide those in the Chrome menu. So it's still there, it's still installed, but it's just hidden and it gives me more space on my bar here. If you go over, they're gonna end up over here, okay? Now the other thing to know is that if you're not using an extension, then you could turn it on and off using something like Extensity. I could turn things on and off that I'm not using, like Bitmoji. Maybe I'm not using it right now. I can turn it off, and then that will allow more things to show up on my bar here. But again, a lot of people don't realize if you get right to the end here, you can click and drag your address bar to make it bigger or smaller in order to be able to have more real estate here. And again, I can hide things in my Chrome menu. If I right click, I can also remove things from my Chrome menu. And I think one of the more important things is if you right click, a lot of extensions have options and they're hidden unless you look for them. And so in this one, it gives me some information about my settings. So every one of these, if you right click on them, there's usually options. Okay, and the options give you things that you can do. So those are just some kind of little ins and outs, tips and tricks for dealing with Chrome extensions.